Hello, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Voila Voice of Ila Anant Acharya, and this is a 30-day gratitude challenge going on. I'm so very happy, so very excited to share with you that it is getting an amazing response. Thank you for all your love and support. So today is day 7, and on day 7 I'm going to share with you that I have just forgot about thanking about toothbrush and colgates or toothpaste and the if you my husband used his shaving gel and shaving brush and all that shaving foam and all that. So thank you for all the accessories which are there, mainly which are keeping our teeth and clean our face clean. So thank you for those toothbrushes and toothpaste and toothbrush of my husband, my son, for myself, and a different toothpaste for my son and a different toothpaste for my husband. We three are using 3 different toothpaste. So thank you God for giving us enough abundance amount of money so that we can have our own flexible version of toothpaste, what we like and what is necessary for our teeth, good for our teeth and all that. And thank you for all the amount of 24/7 water facility which is coming in our washroom, in our bathroom, so that we can use it as and when we are in need of it. And thank you for all the shower gels and all the other necessary things like scrubs and hand wash and face wash and everything which are there, which the bathroom accessories which are making it which are making our body, our face look clean, neat and clean. And thank you for all the other necessary accessories also in our washroom and bathroom which are making it clean, neat, and which are making it the facilitating us to keep ourselves clean, neat and fresh. Whenever even we come from outside, we just first go to our washroom and clean up and make us feel very cool and calm after getting clean up. So thank you for all the facilities, for everything which is available and which we are using it daily. We cannot imagine it that one day we are just waking up and just having a breakfast just like that. No, not like that. We just go have a clean ourselves and clean it everything and clean all the things, all the accessories which are there in our bathroom, all the facility. Thank you universe, thank you God, thank you for everything. And it is not for only where we are living, so all the places where we are going, whether we are going to our in-laws house or whether I'm going to my mom's house or whether we are going to our own home, everywhere, every washroom, everywhere we are getting all these facilities: hot water, cold water, 24/7 clean water. Thank you universe for everything. So like this, you can always start with the gratitude. You can always thank God, thank universe for what you have. And if you have in multiples, thank for that, because it is not that you are going to get this over here only. If you are traveling, you get the same facility in your hotels also. If you are traveling, if you are at the office, sometimes you have to sometimes you get this facility in your office also, the fresh clean washroom and the facilities they provide there also, the water facility, the soap, the hand wash, the clean towels, the clean toilet paper and everything. So thank you. You can add each and every little detailed thing to make sure that your gratitude is getting a high vibe, because whenever you say thank you for small thing, your vibration is getting higher and higher. As your vibration is getting higher, you are on near to your manifestation, because all your manifestation are at the highest frequency of love and appreciation and gratitude. So whenever you are giving gratitude for even a thing which you don't want to manifest, but the high vibration will make it possible that whatever you want, you will get within very soon. the procedure, the progress, the process will increase in multiples, and you will get the things in multiples, which I am, because I have started my law of attraction journey with writing gratitude journal, and that continuously each and every day I have written on each and every page of my diary for almost 2.5-3 years. Then I have continued after my marriage also for 4 long years. Now every day, even though I am not able to write, but I still write just thank you on each and every page of my diary of this month, so that I feel that yes, thank you for this entire month. I already secure my month by saying gratitude, by saying thank you, which also act as an Ho'oponopono cleansing tool on my favor. So I'm doing this every day, and I just want to share with you that you can start with small little things, and then continue, then make it in your daily life routine, so that it becomes like your daily habit. For example, if just you wake up and you just go to your washroom and hold your toothbrush in your hand, similarly every day when you wake up, you can, after getting freshen up, you can write this gratitude one page, or you can listen to this gratitude whichever I'm sharing with you, or you can write record your gratitude like what I'm recording right now. So anything you can do, but start doing it, and do it continuously, consistently every day. Then you are going to manifest whatever you want. Can be a bigger thing, can be a smaller thing, but the manifestation will be also in a consistent manner. So thank you so much for listening to this channel. If you like it, like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Love you. Bye.